I have absolutely no idea why it got so dark right now. Why is Mother Nature always coming for me when I want to film? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it is that you are new here, hi, I'm MJ and I make lifestyle and decor videos every single Sunday at 1 p.m. As you can see from the title of the video, I'm gonna be doing a room tour. In this corner, I've just got my shelving situation right here. It's just decorated with stuff that I actually like, just different things that I like. I've got this mannequin head. I got it in Ross like maybe 3 years ago, and she's been traveling with me ever since. Love her, love her. She's a whole mood right now, so every now and then I will dress her up, dress her down, depending on how I'm feeling. And then over here I have my first plant. It's actually a bonsai, but at first when I saw it, it's actually not mine, it's my friend, but he kind of abandoned it, so I took it over. And so it's a bonsai. At first it just looks like grass. It was like, at first it wasn't like love at first sight, but she's a fighter. She's beautiful. She's ever growing. She's just blossoming. You know, she's just in her own little space right there. Then also we've got like 50 shades of gray right here. So I thought it would be appropriate to put this wine, a bottle of wine right there, because, you know, mood and all. Up top right here, we've got this Boston fern, faux Boston fern. It's really fake. I just kind of put it there for like aesthetic reasons. I actually wanted to get an actual Boston fern, but I didn't get to go to Home Depot that day. So these were on sale at Michael's for like $1. So I just put that there for aesthetic purposes. And then over here, we've got my first artwork. It's just like a silhouette of a female, and I just thought it was simple and beautiful. On the second shelf, I've just got like other things that I'm interested in, like my crystals, my favorite stone, candles, sage, all of that good stuff. And then on here, I've just got like my sunglasses, one of my handbags, and then a few of my perfumes, well, my only perfumes, a couple jewelry here, and then I've just got this seating right here, this ottoman seating with a cushion, my warmer with my favorite scent in there. It is mandarin orange. It's so good. It's not too sweet. It's just like a very pleasant smell. And then over here, I've got my linen basket. I only store like dirty sheets, dirty towels, and dirty, like, you know, just linen. No clothes or anything like that. That is stored out in the hallway closet. And I just got this beautiful basket. If you are familiar with my thrifted video, this is Priscilla. I thrifted her for $2.99. So proud of her. She's a beauty. And if you have not seen my thrifted video, I will go ahead and link a card right here. And I'll also put it in the pinned comments. It will be in the pinned comments. The first comment you see on this video, you can watch the thrifted video to see all what I've got. And then I just have this vase of like fake flowers down here just to, like, you know, a little vibe. And then down at the bottom, I've just got like my computer and wires and all of that stuff. This side of me looks like I'm in freaking heaven, but we're gonna get on with it. Right here, I have like a fan situation going on that I put up there. It was just like a mirror with like Chinese boats and Chinese writing or Asian writing. Just like a really cute mood fan. So I put it above this mirror. It's like my full length mirror that I really, really love. See my outfits. Look on the little details. I just hung one of my other purses off to the side right here. Like every time my cat sees me looking in this mirror, he goes stand by the door because he knows I'm going out. It's so cute. But anyways, over here, I have also got my money plant. She's thriving. She's thriving. Let's get a close-up of her. Let's get a close-up of the queen, the money tree, my money tree. We've got little babies sprouting. Little ones are coming out. So, yeah. And then she's blossoming. She's doing really, really well now that I've put her over in this corner. I'm so happy. And down here, we've got babies. Look at that. So she's thriving. Now here I have some of my artwork that I did. I featured them in a video. The card will either pop up or it will be in the pin comments. Guys, please make sure you check out the pin comments for all the other videos that are associated with this video. So anyways, this is some of my DIY art that I filmed, and then I have some of my favorite books down here, and I just love the message on this notebook right here. I journal in this sometimes. And down here I've got this rug. I am shook. Okay, this rug, I am obsessed with her. She is gorgeous. And over here I've got this picnic basket that I'm using to store. You can see my aesthetically pleasing AC over here thriving. But anyways, this is actually a picnic basket that I'm using to store all my makeup. And I thought it was just very clever to do it that way. It holds everything. It has little sections in there, and I'm happy. It takes all my makeup, and like it doesn't look as cluttered with having everything displayed and stuff like that. So I just put all my makeup in there and I'm happy with it. And then down here I just have 2 more decorative pillows that I just store right here. It is fall time, guys, so it is time to get cozy. I think I'm gonna do like a room refresh, but fall winter vibes. Not right now, but soon. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think you'd like to see that. If we come back up right here, I've just got my Glade room mist. This is, I don't know what it is about like orange mandarin scents. It's just so fresh and it's so inviting, and it's just a lovely scent. Then over here I've just got this clear glow. I've got this plant pot that I want to actually put a plant in from Urban Outfitters. And then I've got my almond candle over here. And then if you come across, we have 2 more of my children. 2 more right here of my kids. This right here, this is Z. Relentless, thriving, doesn't require a lot. She's just so independent, like her mom. I will do an in-depth video on all my plants, but I just thought I would feature the beautiful girl right here. This right here is yucca. It's a yucca plant also. This was also my friend's, but it got abandoned somewhat, so I just took her over. But she's thriving over here, putting out new shoots. I'm just really, really happy. And then if we come over here, we have a room humidifier, and then this candle. It's a theme, guys. I have candles all over my room, and I burn whichever one I feel like I'm in the mood. Then over here, I just have my clothing rack. I love my clothing rack in my room, so I can display my favorite pieces. It just represents like my style right now, and also my color scheme. This is my color scheme in a nutshell, guys, and this is one of my favorite flowy situations going on. That is my vibe right now. And above my clothing rack, I just have another one of my purse displayed. This shoes is actually my friend. It's not like a shoe that you can actually wear. It's actually a decor piece, and I just kind of just put it there. My friend left it here, so I just put it there, and along with another candle. And then above that, I have this artwork. It says the power of imagination makes us infinite, and I don't think I will ever get rid of it because I resonate with what it says. You can't even see me. Anyways, down here I've just got like my shoes. I'll go ahead and do a close-up of that so you can see that. This is basically all the shoes I have, besides maybe another house slipper and like my Crocs. These are all the shoes I have, so I can display them all because they're all my favorites. So yeah, let's move on to my bed. Okay, as for my bed, I really, really love my bed. Oh my goodness, I love the bedding. Everything is so comfy. I sleep really, really well, even though I have insomnia. And as a result, my bed is just everything to me, so I always try to make it comfy. If you're not following me on Instagram, you totally should. I post a lot of room inspiration and room decor on there, and a lot of tips. So I'm gonna plug it right now, but this is my bedding. This is my bedding. I got these two, well, behind these two pillows, I've got like my sleeping pillows, not interested. Then I've got these two ruffled pillows. Absolutely love them. I've got this fluffy pillow situation, and then I have this bohemian style pillow that I am totally obsessed with, and I have got my comforter. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is one of my like top 3 favorite things in my room right now. Like, oh my goodness. So let's just talk about this thrifted floor rug. I put rug because I think it's actually a sheet, but I wanted to put it on the floor, so that's what it is. So this rug I thrifted, guys. I'm not even gonna tell you the price. You need to watch my thrifted video for the price because you're gonna be blown away. Okay, blown away. All right, this thrifted situation, look at the details, the color of it, everything about it. I just love, and it has like ruffles at the end. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's absolutely everything. And then over here, I've just got like my nightstand. My nightstand is actually a stool from IKEA. If you hear any like noise and stuff outside, it's just my neighbor. He is currently playing kickball with his son, and I can't hate on that because, you know, bonding and parenting and all that. So excuse the audio right now, but it is what it is. And so this is my nightstand. I just keep like this beautiful pothos plant right here. Love her. She's thriving. Her name is Japearl. Okay, I'll put the spelling because she's very temperamental. So anyways, I've got my plant right here. I've got a candle there. I've got my charging for my Samsung watch and my phone. I've just got my charger right here. Then I've got my keys, a lighting situation, my sleeping mask, and then I have my AC remote. Now we're gonna talk about this seating situation right here, honey. Right here, okay? This is where the magic really happens. Editing. Okay, so in this chair, I do a lot of editing. I spend a lot of hours in this chair because it is comfy, it reclines. I can just sink right in and get deep into my editing, no problem. And I just love her. She is actually part of a set. The rest of it is actually in the living room. So there is that, but I thought I would bring this in here because it wasn't being used. So yeah, and I needed somewhere to edit, and I didn't want to sit in my bed, you know. This is actually artwork done by me. I really love simplistic art, as you can see. I'm really into that. I actually saw this online and I free-handed this and draw it. I actually have a video on this. And then we are back at my front door. If it is that you want to see how I actually change the aesthetic of my room, click this video right here. And if you want to see where I bought everything, then watch this video down here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider hitting subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. I need to stop.